looked at how to multiply whole numbers and fractions. Now we're going to learn how to multiply decimals. And multiplying decimals is important because, as you know, dollars and cents involve decimals. Okay, let's take a look at an example. Reed bought 1 8/10 pounds of green beans. The green beans cost $1.27 per pound. What was the total cost of Reed's green beans? Now, to solve this exercise, we need to multiply the cost per pound times the pounds of green beans. Let's bring in our factors. $1.27, and then our pounds was 1 8/10. Now, when we multiply decimals, we actually multiply them the same way we multiply whole numbers. So we won't worry about the decimal until we get our product. So 8 times 7 is 56. Write the 5 there. 8 times 2 is 16, and 5, that's 21. 8 times 1 is 8, and 2, that gives us 10. Next, we have 1 times 7, which is 7, 1 times 2, which is 2, and 1 times 1, which is 1. Oh, I almost forgot my placeholder. Let's go ahead and add now. 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 7 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1 plus 1 is 2. There we have our product. Like I said, now we're going to bring in the decimal. And the way you figure out the decimal is by looking at the decimal places in your factors. Now, our first factor has 2 decimal places, 1, 2, and the second one has 1 decimal place. What we want to do now is add those decimal places. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and therefore our product has 3 decimal places. That's 1, 2, 3. Now, this answer looks a little strange. And the reason it looks a little strange is because we're dealing with money. So if we're dealing with money, that means we need to round to the nearest hundreds. Here's our hundreds place. We have an 8. If you look at the number on the right, it's a 6, which means we round up. So we have $2.29. And there you have it. The total cost of Reed's green beans is $2.29. So you see, multiplying decimals can be delicious and lucrative. See you next time.